Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this episode we are going to talk about classes in Visual Basic. I'll be answering a few key questions. How do you use classes? And why do we even need them? To show you how they work, we are going to build a small application together. Let's get started. Classes are the foundation of object-oriented programming. A class is a blueprint or a template used to create real objects. Let's jump into an example and I will show you exactly why classes are so powerful. I have started a new project. I want this app to create a list of people, but let's make it interesting. We are going to generate personal cards. First, let's create a new class and name it Person Card. This card will hold two parameters, name and age. To do this, I will define test properties. Public property name as string, public property age as integer. Remember, we are just designing the blueprint of how our data should be organized. Now we need a way to display this data. Let's create a function called getCard. So I type function getCard as panel. Let's create a new panel and set some of its properties. Dim PNL as new panel, PNL.size equal new size, inside the parentheses 150, 80. PNL back color equal color.light steel blue, PNL.margin equal new padding, inside the parentheses 10. Now we need to draw two lines of text onto this panel. To do that, we will use an event handler for the paint event. So we'll just add handler and set graphics for that. Using GDI graphics here, I'm creating a stencil for our data. The program will take whatever information we provide and draw a person's card using this blueprint. And finally, the function must return the panel we just created. Now let's head back to our main form. I will add two labels, two text boxes, and a button labeled Add Card. On the right side of the form, I will add a flow layout panel, dock it to the right, and set its width to 600 pixels. Now double-click the Add Card button. We need to send our data to the class. First, we tell the program we want to use our person card blueprint by creating an instance. Dim person as new person card. So if you will type person followed by a dot, you will see all the properties we created. We will take the name from text box name and the age from text box age. Don't forget to convert the age to an integer. Now we just display it in the flow layout panel. Flow layout panel 1.controls.add parentheses person.getCard. GetCard function takes care of all the visual heavy lifting. I will run the program, enter some names and ages, and click Add Card. As you can see, every click creates a new unique card. We have created a template that the program follows perfectly. But let's make it better. Let's add a delete button to our blueprint, so each card can remove itself. Back to our class. We will create a button object and set its properties. So here I'm just creating a new button. Then I just describe a few properties for this button. Next, we add an event handler. When clicked, the program will remove the panel from its parent. And finally add the button to the panel. pnl.controls.add and inside the parentheses button delete. If we run the program again and add several cards, clicking delete now removes that specific card, and the flow layout panel automatically rearranges the remaining ones. To wrap things up, today we saw how classes transform standard code into a powerful organized tool. A class is not just a template, it's a way to organize the mess. Instead of managing dozens of loose variables, we created a single object that stores its own data, knows how to draw itself, and even knows how to delete itself. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and as a little reward, here are a few pictures of funny animal. See you in the next video.